my channel. If you're new, hello beautiful. I hope you like my videos. If you like it, please subscribe. If you like this video, you may like at the end of this video. And today I'll be doing another mukbang, and this time it's Jollibee, and we have lots of food from Jollibee, and some I'm not familiar with, like this one. And so let's start eating it. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you what I got from Jollibee. First we got sundae, ice cream. We also got a Coke float, almost a nut float. And here we have French fries, peach mango pie, which is my favorite. We have hot dog here, yum burger steak with rice. And we had chicken, spicy chicken, and spaghetti, and palabok. And it's my first time trying this palabok. Let's start eating. Okay. Let's start with the sundae because it's already melting. See, I like to dip my ice cream and my French fries and my ice cream because it tastes good. You might know that because of my last mukbang video. My last mukbang video where me and Therese have French fries mukbang. It was good. And we also have ice cream that time. Okay guys, so I am planning to do a family vlog series, so where I vlog our days this quarantine. You'll know what we were doing this quarantine. Our dog Molly gave birth to 3 cute puppies. They are so cute, and they don't have names yet. But the gender of the puppies are 2 boys and 1 girl. And I don't know what to name them. So if you want to name them, you may DM me my Instagram. It's MJ Rara. So guys, before I have a story. Way before, I don't really eat the food that my mom makes at home because I'm a picky eater and I don't really like foods. Like before, I don't like pizza, which is shocking because I really love pizza now. And also yum burger, but whenever every Friday when my father fetch me to go home already from school, we usually stop by the Jollibee near our school, ACT, and we go there and eat Jollibee. So Jollibee is my child. And also, if you did not notice, I noticed that I am trying to post videos every 3 days. So I will have 2 videos in 1 week. So. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Not the best, but I don't hate it. And I eat. Okay guys, so now we are eating burger steak. And yes, can take the first bite. Planning to chat Kathleen so she can come here so we can make videos together. But I don't know if her mother will agree. And my mother will agree because we are quarantined and we're not neighbors, so we're a little bit far. And I was supposed to plan to recreate one of our old videos together. And also, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel because I'm almost I almost reached 4,000 subscribers, which is almost 5,000 subscribers. So I can do the giveaway. Yay! I'm excited. Yeah, my favorite. I was craving for this. Jolly spaghetti. It's so sweet and cheesy. I usually keep this flag because it's so cute before, but now I just throw it because it's not that healthy. Let's mix.
Ooh, would you look at that? I'm actually hungry right now. Yum, yum.
I keep on lying to myself that I keep on saying that tomorrow I will start doing my exercise and continue it for 2 weeks, and then I ended up giving up in the middle of the week. Whoa, I'm sorry guys. I did not expect this. Chicken is so spicy. As you can see, I am very weak when it comes to spicy food. So good. Let's eat my peach mango pie. Guys, I am almost full now. My tummy is about to burst. And after this video, I'm going to drink a lot of water. So good. You can have the first bite. Yay. If I have the chance to stop by Jollibee before going to school, I'll definitely buy peach mango pie for snacks. Okay guys, now we are going to eat the one and only Yum Burger. Okay guys, that was it for this mukbang video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me eating and talking random things. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends or anyone basically, or you can share it to your family too. It's friendly, family friendly. And I hope I'll see you guys next time. So make sure to stay safe and wash your hands. Bye bye.